Hi everyone. I am going to show you how to get through one of these assignments that you may have been given that is created onto a Google slide. So what I want you to do is when you open up your assignment on Google Classroom or Brightspace, you'll see that there's a title page here. And along the left-hand side, you're going to see all the pages. So on this one, on page 2, you have a text about spring. So the first thing you're going to do, because it's a little bit small in order to read it, so you're going to go up to the magnifying glass here. Just a sec here. There we go. So the magnifying glass here, click on the drop down cursor and try 50%. Or if that doesn't seem big enough, try 100%, see if that is better. There we go. Sometimes the 100% is bigger than the screen, so it doesn't always work. So this screen is just for reading. So this is the text that you're expected to read. So you go through and read it, and then you go back to the left-hand side and go into the third, in this case, the third one. And here is your page where you can respond to the text. So if you look at the top, first question says, which season does spring come after? And then you might see a word click, or you might not see the word click, but for all of them, what's text box has been created for you in order to put your answer in. Okay, so which season does spring come after? You're going to go back to your text to find the answer, or to, if you think you know it already, just to confirm. What was the question again? Which season does spring come after? Let's see what we have here. Spring is one of the 4 seasons. It is the season that comes after winter. Okay, so there's your answer. Which season does spring come after? Click on the text box and write your answer. Remember to write in a complete sentence, which means you're going to use part of the question in your answer. The words I'm going to use in my answer is spring comes after winter, period. There's my answer. Okay, next question, number 2. When does spring start? Spring starts in March and ends in June. So that is a simple answer. It's only asking when it starts. Click on the text box till you see the moving cursor. Oops. It might take a little bit of getting used to, but you can do it. So spring starts. I forgot what the text says. Spring starts in March. Spring starts in March, period. Okay, so you're going to continue on in the same way until you get to the last question. When you have completed, you will go to the top in Google Classroom. You're going to go to the top and you're going to find the button that says turn in. Once you've completed all the questions, you turn it into me. I will mark it and then return it back to you with your mark. So hopefully this helps. It's not too complicated. The key is to make sure you can see it, to make it bigger, and to know that there are text boxes in there. And if for some reason there is no text box, you can always create one. You just click on text box, and for example, I can do it right here. You'll see this cursor and you just create a text box. What I did was I pressed on the bottom left hand corner and then just clicked on the mouse screen that's on your Chromebook. but most of them will have text boxes, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, I hope this helps. Do your best and good luck on your assignments.